Troubleshooting syncing issues in Canva. If you'd like to troubleshoot syncing issues that you're facing on Canva, what are the things that we can do? First of all, we can simply open up our browser and refresh the Canva page. So sometimes a simple refresh will help you solve a lot of problems. Ensure that your internet connection is working fine, depending upon whatever you're using like Wi-Fi or so on your desktop or mobile phone. Ensure that's working fine. Clear the cache files for your browser as well. So click the three dots icon from the top right hand side, go to settings. In the case of Google Chrome, you can go to privacy and security, go to delete browsing data, select cached images and files and click the delete data button, and then you'll be able to delete all your cached images and files as well. You also want to make sure that you have your Canva design in your design list, otherwise it could have been accidentally deleted, which you might want to restore it later on. These are some of the things that you can take, or the measures, if you are facing the syncing problem on Canva. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.